Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been feeling so great the past couple of days. I hope I just got a little cold and that it's not anything serious. But today is Saturday and I just needed to get some things done today and I wanted to show you. I slept in, it's already almost noon. I never usually sleep in till really late. I just felt that my body really needed that to recover. So I'm glad that I did that. Just finished eating breakfast and doing my devotional. I'm just going to chop up some fruits up, so let's go do that. These are some organic strawberries that I'm going to rinse. I'm just going to put some of this into this bowl. Actually, I think I'll put all of it, and I'll add some salt and some vinegar and then let it sit for 10 minutes or so. I'm going to rinse it out with some vinegar and water solution. I like to do a 1/4 cup of vinegar with 2 cups of water. Done. Let's go work on the blueberries. I also have these blueberries. These are organic blueberries and I'm going to soak them in vinegar and water and let it soak for a little bit. The blueberries and strawberries are done, so I'm just going to rinse that out. Strawberries are done. Let's go chop them up. Just finished chopping all of these strawberries. I have like a mountain of strawberries. Done packing the strawberries. Yay. Blueberries are done. Okay, so now it is time for lunch. Let us cook us some lunch. I'm thinking of making rice cauliflower. This is the stir fry from Trader Joe's. I really like this. And I'm just going to boil some broccoli. Broccoli is done. I like putting them in these glass containers since you can use them when they're hot. Then once it gets cold, you can just pop it in the fridge. So it's super awesome for storing and also reheating foods. So highly recommend. Craving some Cajun shrimp, so I think I'll make that pair with the broccoli and the cauliflower stir fry. I think that's a pretty good meal. Let's make the Cajun seasoning for the shrimp. I'm going to put in a 1/4 teaspoon of this, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. Add in a 1/4 teaspoon of basil and a 1/4 teaspoon of thyme. Now I'm just going to give this a mix. There we have it. It's super easy to make and it's super fast. If you have the spices in your cabinet, I would just recommend making it instead of going to the store and getting it. So much easier that way. I just added in a 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic. I'm just going to give that a stir until the shrimp is fully cooked. Shrimps are done and it smells so good. I'm going to leave the pan with this Cajun seasoning. It'll just make the cauliflower rice so much better. Cajun shrimp, broccoli, 1/2 an avocado, and the cauliflower rice, which looks so good. Let's go add in some everything but the bagel seasoning. Focus. Guys, it is later. My camera died, so I had to charge it. I basically watched Babysitter's Club on Netflix. I actually read the books when I was a lot younger, and I'm so happy that they made the TV series. It's so cute. It just brings back so many memories, you know? Let me know in the comments below if you have read the Babysitter's Club when you were younger, and if you have watched the Netflix show. I think they did a pretty good job of it, so love that. I am in the mood to make some green onion bread, so I'm going to whip that up really quickly. Then I'll have dinner and I'll probably call it a night after that. I'm hoping to sleep earlier like I did yesterday so I can feel better tomorrow. I don't feel that bad today, but I do know that something just feels off. You know, it's just one of those days. Anyways, let's go make the green onion bread. I just added in 2 cups of bread flour here. Also adding in half a teaspoon of sugar and a half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of yeast. I added in 1 cup of water. It should be lukewarm or even hot water. Now I'm going to add in some scallions. This is 1 cup of scallions. I'm going to let that mix until this comes together into a ball. So the dough is done. Let's go cover this and wait 1 hour until it rises. In the meantime, I'm going to make my dinner and have dinner, and I will see you once the dough has risen. This is my dinner: salmon, broccoli, carrots, some tofu, and scrambled eggs with green onion stir fry, and half the avocado with some everything but the bagel seasoning, and this is my dinner. No, I just ripped my favorite hair tie. Whoa! Hi guys, what's up? This is the next day. I feel a lot better right now, but when I first woke up this morning, I did not feel that great, so it definitely took me some time to actually wake up and feel a little bit better, but it hasn't gotten worse, which is great. So hopefully I nipped the cold before it got worse. I think I'll just take it easy today, do a few house chores that I need to do, and watch some movies. Sorry if I still sound congested. I still have my stuffy nose. Okay, let's go get some breakfast. Just gonna sit here on the couch while I have my breakfast and do my devotional for the day, and I will see you guys after I do this. Hello guys, I am back. Let's go open up some packages. I know what I'm getting in this package since I ordered a ring selfie light, like the big one. Also got another package, but I'm not really sure what this one is, and I'm also waiting on one more package that's supposed to come at the end of the day today. Hopefully that comes before it gets too dark so I can show you. Let's go open these up. Oh my gosh! We got this! 10 by 10 felt leather board, and it has a stand, and it came, and I'm so excited for this. This is like one of those packages that you forgot like what you ordered and then it surprises you again. So love that. Like this video if you've ever experienced that, and also subscribe down below. Oak finish frame, 10 by 10 display frame, which I really like, and I really wanted that instead of it having no stand at all. You can also mount it on the wall, so yay. Okay, so let's go open this one up. Dum da da da! Yay! My selfie ring light is here! Let's go open this up. Okay, looks like that. We have the tripod, the phone stand, other random parts. Yay! It's beautiful. Okay guys, so I just assembled the selfie ring light, and this is it. This is the ring portion. You go down and this is where you can put your phone if you want to take some photos or do TikTok videos, whatever. And then each of these tabs you can extend or decrease. This is the full extension, so it's actually pretty big. I'm really happy how this turned out, and let's go give it a try. You have to use this selfie ring light on an adapter, so I just plugged it in here. These are the buttons for adjusting the light. So I just plugged it in and turned it on. This is the cool tone. If I change it, this is the warmer tone, or this is the natural lighting. If I change it again, this is the warmer tone, and back to the cool tone. So there's 3 options for the light, which is awesome, and you can adjust how bright the light is. So for this cool tone one, I can reduce it. So so it's not that bright, and then switch it to the other one and then increase this one to make it brighter. Love this. So I am a huge fan of this. I can't wait to use it in my videos. I also don't have to worry about making sure that I get good lighting. I live in a high-rise building in San Francisco, so sometimes the light doesn't exactly shine in our living room the way that I would like it to be. I mean, we do get pretty good light, but if I want to shoot something at night, it's just so much easier to have this light. So I'm really happy with this purchase. I'm gonna text one of my friends right now to let her know that I got a Ring Selfie light. She'll love it, I'm sure. Oh my gosh, this is making me so happy. You have no idea. I just realized that my phone case is too big to put on the ring light selfie attachment. So I'm gonna try to remove my PopSocket here. And one of the ways to do that is that you can use a card, like a credit card or a gift card, to like pop it off and not ruin your phone. So let's go give that a try. Okay, so I'm just gonna slide the card in here. Sliding. Oh my gosh, oh my, yes, I think it's working. Oh yes, it's coming off. Yes, no residue. Well, a little bit of residue, but it's super easy to come off, and I have the PopSocket out. Such an awesome hack. I'll just probably remove this with some water and a little bit of dish soap. This is also really cool because not only can you do it this way, vertical, you can also flip it and it'll be horizontal. So awesome stuff. Maybe I should do a photo shoot here. Just looking at the photo app, it's so good and the lighting is perfect. No more bad lighting days. Kind of like this natural lighting option the best, so I might just stick with this for now. Okay, it is later in the day. Basically, I cleaned up the entire place. I vacuumed, prepped the emergency kit, or well, I looked at it again so I knew which foods I needed to replace. I have to get some more granola bars since the old ones expired. I also watched 2 more episodes of The Babysitter's Club, so that was fun. My husband made dinner tonight, so I'm going to take a shower and then we're gonna have dinner. He made oyakodon, so I'm really excited to try that. I think after that I'll call it a night, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Morning, I just made some pancakes and the green smoothie recipe. I'm going to have some breakfast now, and that noise right now is actually the laundry machine. I am out of my pancake mix now, so I need to go and get some more. I really like this brand. It's super healthy and it tastes really good. If you're interested in the green smoothie, I actually made the same exact green smoothie that I did in my recent video. I'll have the link up if you want to check it out. Okay, I'm starving. I will see you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, it is later in the day. I actually watched Salt. Salt is such a great movie. It's played by Angelina Jolie, and I actually haven't watched it yet. I just watched that. It was so nice to just relax. After that, I just had to do a few more errands. I came to grab this package. Let's unbox this. Well, unwrap it. My booty bands came. I ordered this a couple of days ago, so I was expecting this. I am super excited to try this out. I've been looking at a lot of workouts that use the booty bands, so I can't wait to use this when I'm feeling a little bit better. It comes with a card and has some exercises inside. This is the packaging. This is the heavy band. This is super great material. It feels super sturdy. This is the medium band. And this is the light band. I absolutely love the colors and I can't wait to use them. I also like how it comes in this pouch, so it's easily storable. So happy about this purchase. I really can't wait to try these on tomorrow. I just tried the light band and it's actually not too bad. I thought it would be super stiff. I'm going to put these away. Look at my plant babies. They are getting some sunlight. Out in daycare. Hi guys, I changed into a cozy robe. I'm about to step into the bathtub to take a bath. He's so nice to chill and de-stress. I am filling up the bathtub right now. This is the bath bomb I'll be using. It's by Pink. It has the pink logo here. The scent is Calming Vanilla. Honestly, this smells so good, you guys. I will see you back a little bit later. some dinner now. Made myself a plate. Some avocado, cucumber, cauliflower rice, pasta, and oyakodon. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel below. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!